Hi, I'm Ricky the Superfoodist. I'm here today with another of C&M's NUTRIBLAST series, and this one is a really good one. You're going to love it. It's a post-workout smoothie. This is going to have lots of nutrient density. It's going to feed the muscles. It's also going to keep you fuller so you don't go for crisps or biscuits or those sugary snacks after you exercise, because that's a big temptation sometimes. So what I'm going to do is start off as I do with any of my NutriBlasts. I'm going to put in 50% leafy greens. Now, the reason for the leafy greens is all about blood sugar regulation. So we're going to get the benefits of the banana that I'm adding, the benefits of the dates and the fig and the prune, but together with the sweetness. Now that sweetness is mixed in with the greens of the kale and spinach, and we end up with a lower glycemic load. So as I said, I'm getting the best of both worlds there. Now, the reason I've got the banana in there is that banana is going to complement my magnesium-rich kale and spinach, and the magnesium-rich kale and spinach are also very high in chlorophyll with energy. To that we add the banana, and that banana is very high in potassium. It's also good in tryptophan. So they're both key ingredients that are lovely nervous system nourishers. To both of those, or to all of that, I'm going to add in here some walnuts. I don't really mind what nuts you use. I put the nuts in there because they're going to add extra protein. Again, that's great for feelings of fullness. Keep you feeling fuller, means you're less likely to snack on those nasties. Pop in that last couple of spinach leaves, and to this blend, I'm going to add some plant-based protein. Now this plant-based protein that I've chosen is from Sun Warrior. I like a plant-based protein that's got a combination of different plants. This one's got pea, hemp and cranberry. It's also got medium-chain triglycerides in there from coconut to give you a little energy boost. But what this protein will do is it's really key, because it will nourish the muscles. It's going to encourage lean muscle growth. That's going to help us, of course, with our muscles, but also going to help us with toning. So I'm putting in, say, 1.5 scoops of that. I'm just using a dessert spoon though. That's really going to add that protein hit that I want, because post-exercise, I want to give you nutrient density, I want to give you enzymes, I want to give you probiotics, but together with that, we've got to have the protein, because that's what it's all about. Now in here also comes some rice milk. Now this rice milk that I'm using is unsweetened. You could just use water if you want, but I like the idea of a post-workout smoothie being kind of smooth. And so what I'm going to do with it, that's why I added the banana in the first place, and that's why I like to use the rice milk. Now, just put on my lid here. I'm going to blast this for 30 seconds. As I said earlier, what I'm getting is a nutrient-dense powerhouse that's also got all my enzymes in there that are going to help the body to do all the things it's designed to do. You don't need to think of them. This will do it for you. You could very easily give this to children and they'll love the taste of it. Even though it's green, call it a monster juice or something. You can pop it in the fridge, make iced lollies. You could add some chia seeds in there and make it more of like a sorbet, because the chia seeds are going to expand, whatever you want to do. But this is going to be a delicious and nutritious post-workout snack, rich in chlorophyll, rich in magnesium. That's exactly what your body's going to need post-workout.